welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are gonna moisturize the skin. I'm gonna use a moisturizer that is rich in anti-aging properties. This moisturizer is gonna help to transform your skin. It's gonna take your dull skin and turn it into beautiful, radiant, naturally glowing skin. It's gonna help to boost the collagen production in the skin, and once used on a regular, this is gonna leave your skin looking just younger and fresher. Now take a look. Here is the moisturizer, and what I use from this is just 2 drops. So all you need is 1 to 2 drops of this moisturizer. Just pour that in, and this amount is good. This is good for your neck and your décolleté. And what I do with the moisturizer, I just warm it in my hands like I'm showing here, and then I just press it on my skin. I press it on my skin, and once I pressed it on the skin, then I massage it on the skin. So I massage my face with this for about 2 to 3 minutes or so, and I like to use this at night, so I just massage it on my skin. When I wake up in the mornings, my skin look really radiant, and I get this natural glow. This helps to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles and fine lines while hydrating the skin. So if you're looking for a homemade moisturizer that is going to get the job done, that's going to help to transform the skin and keep your skin looking younger and fresher, follow me to the kitchen. We're going to whip it up really quick, and then I'm going to share some tips at the end and how best to use this for amazing results. For this recipe, we're going to be using a blender. Now my first ingredient is shea butter, which is very hydrating to the skin. Shea butter will have to lock that moisture in the skin, get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and keep the skin fully hydrated, soft and supple. So we're going to use about, not a lot, about a teaspoon of the shea butter. When you're using the shea butter for this recipe, make sure it is very soft. Now that we have our shea butter in, now my next ingredient is aloe vera gel, and aloe vera gel is very hydrating to the skin. It has brightening properties. It will help to get rid of spots and blemishes on the skin. This aloe vera gel contains a bit of a vitamin C, since they add citric acid to it. So it's a great aloe vera gel for the skin. We're using only about a teaspoon or so of the aloe vera gel, and we pour this in. For this recipe, I suggest the store-bought aloe vera gel. Next, I'm going to reach for some avocado oil. No avocado oil, use grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, or even coconut oil for this recipe. I like, however, to use avocado oil since it contains vitamin A, C, and E. It is also rich in omega, and it also have all the electrolytes, make it a perfect anti-aging oil to use on the skin. So we're using about a tablespoon is our carrier oil of the avocado oil. Add that to the blender. So here in our blender we have shea butter, we have avocado oil, and we also have some aloe vera gel. Next, I'm going to reach for some rose water. Rose water is also hydrating, and it have to balance the pH of the skin. We do not need a lot of rose water in this. All we need is about a teaspoon of the rose water. Pour this in, 1 teaspoon rose water. And next we're going to add our final ingredient. We're going to add one of our special oils. You can choose whichever one to use. We're, however, going to use some flaxseed oil, and we're using this for its high protein content. It is also rich in vitamin A. It's great to boost collagen and help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Very hydrating. If you do not have the flaxseed oil, you can use any of your favorite oils: sesame seed oil, rosehip oil, pomegranate seed oil, cacao oil. Just use whatever you have. Now for our flaxseed, we're using a teaspoon of the flaxseed oil. Pour this in, and now we're going to cover, and we are going to blend. And once we cover, give it a little shake. Make sure your shea butter is all the way in the bottom of the blender, and blend. Now take a look. This is it. And let's reach for our storage jar. Let's pour our moisturizer in. Get everything out and take a look. Here we have our anti-aging facial moisturizer. We have shea butter, we have aloe vera gel, we also have some vitamin E oil, we have some rose water, and we have some flaxseed oil. An amazing combination of ingredients that you can use on your skin to reduce wrinkles, boosts collagen, hydrates the skin, and help your skin to look younger and fresher. Store this moisturizer on your countertop. No need to store it in the refrigerator, and keep it in a warm area so that it does not get, thicker than it is. Now to use this moisturizer, all you need is 1 to 2 drops, and let me show you up close really quick how it's just gonna blend in the skin. Remember, it do contain water, not only oil, and that's what makes it an amazing moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin. This is gonna kick it up a notch. This is good to use on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Massage it on the skin. Use it every day. You can use it AM or PM. Use more PM, less AM, and you're on your way to amazing hydrated, soft, supple looking skin. And there you have it, my homemade facial moisturizer, which is rich in anti-aging properties. Mix it up. Remember, you can substitute some of these oils. Make it your own. Use it as I shared. Apply it on your skin and then massage it on the skin, and you're on your way to amazing skin. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and your comments are always welcome. So leave those comments. I like read them, and even if I don't answer all, I'll still read. And if you have not yet subscribed, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Go on my channel page, browse around, and have fun with some amazing recipes.